U.S. Janitorial Services offers robust industrial cleaning services Lexington businesses depend on. Our expert team handles heavy-duty degreasing and comprehensive facility sanitation, serving medical offices, schools, corporate headquarters, and auto dealerships. We tailor our commercial cleaning plans to your unique needs. From detailed janitorial maintenance to large-scale disinfection, we ensure spotless, safe environments. Our strip and wax floor treatments restore aged surfaces, while concrete and epoxy polishing add durability and shine. You'll experience a slip-resistant finish that enhances both safety and curb appeal. Streak-free window washing and high-dusting services improve natural light and air quality. We meticulously remove cobwebs, dust, and grime from rafters, beams, and ventilation systems. Outdoor power washing and parking lot care eliminate oil stains, tire marks, and debris. Keeping exterior surfaces pristine boosts your professional image and reduces slip hazards. As certified KY cleaners, we're qualified to sanitize walls, ceilings, and floors, using environmentally friendly, biodegradable solutions. Our protocols meet all local and federal regulations for industrial hygiene. For continuous upkeep, our day porter services maintain cleanliness throughout the workday. We ensure trash removal, restroom restocking, and surface wiping to support a productive workspace. U.S. Janitorial Services also offers 24/7 emergency response for unexpected spills and contamination events. Our rapid deployment team minimizes downtime and keeps your operation running smoothly. Call us now at 800-216-6069 for a free consultation. Friendly experts are standing by to discuss your industrial cleaning needs. Visit us online at https://usjservices.com. Lexington, Industrial Cleaning Services for instant quotes and effortless scheduling. Experience the U.S. Janitorial Services difference today with our specialized industrial cleaning solutions, your trusted partner in professional building care.